how to add rounded corners to images on Wix. So I have it here, this image. Click on that particular image right here and then click on this design option. From in there, it will show you the frames that they already have available. So you can head over and then just choose your frame that you want. As you can see, they have some options right here like this rounded option. Just head over and click on just this customize design. And then just hover right here until you can see the rounded corners, which is this one. You can see we have this. And then you can adjust the opacity and color as well. We have in here the corners. You can adjust it. So for example, let's put in here around 15. And it will show us opacity of around it. So if you still want to make this larger, you can make this. For example, let's put 50, and as you can see, we have a well-rounded corner. As you can see, it's been applied right here. I'll change it into another color. I'll change the background color right here in order to let you see. As you can see, we have this one and it's all rounded. So that's how you add rounded corners to images on Wix. Hope we help.